Hello everyone, so let's start and implementing this lab. So very first thing we have to do the environment setup. So I'm going to launch a virtual machine in AWS environment. And once we have the virtual machine, I'm going to install the Kubernetes cluster. And for this entire lab session, I'm going to create a Minikube cluster. So let's start. So this is the AWS management console. Sign in, and first I'm going to launch an EC2 instance. Click on launch instance. Name I'm giving Minikube cluster. You can give any name, it is up to you. And I'm going to choose Ubuntu operating system. You can take the latest one, that is 24.04. But I'm going to take this one, 22.04. Just scroll down. Instance type, that's very important. Make sure to choose T2.medium or more, not less than T2.medium. Key pair, let me create a new key pair. The name I'm giving Minikube testing. Create. So the key has been created. Let me put it in a safe location. Now coming back here, scroll down. Storage at least 20 GB is required. After that, just click on launch instance. So first I am just launching a virtual machine, and then once we have the system, I am going to install few packages for Kubernetes cluster like Docker, Minikube and kubectl. So this is the system, and you can see it is in running state, but status check is still showing initializing. So we have to wait for a few more seconds. Let me try to access this system. So this is the public IP, and to access this system I am going to use MobaXterm software. Click on session SSH. This is the public IP, and the default user for this system is Ubuntu. Click on advanced SSH settings, use private key, and here you have to look for the private key that we have created at the time of creation of this system. So we have saved it in this location. Click on OK. So let me change the tab, Minikube cluster. Also let me increase the font size. Okay, my system is ready. Now what is next? The next is we need to install the Minikube cluster. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I will show you how we can install the Minikube cluster.